considering a new Ford Explorer with Brighton Ford. Among Ford's lineup, the 2022 Ford Explorer is best suited for family duty. With 3 rows of seats and plenty of room for hauling cargo. Every Explorer has standard driver assistance technology including forward collision warning with automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alerts, and lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. All vehicle pricing is shown with AZ pricing. Not all buyers will qualify for all discount/rebate/pricing plans shown. Please see dealer for complete details and to find out what pricing you qualify for. Brighton Ford is conveniently located off of Grand River Road in Brighton, Michigan. Brighton Ford is near the intersection of I-96 and US 23 in Brighton, Michigan. We have the largest selection of used trucks, used cars and used SUVs with over 200 pre-owned vehicles in stock. Brighton Ford serves all nearby cities including South Lyon, Howell, Fenton, New Hudson, Novi, Ann Arbor, Whitmore Lake, Lansing, Detroit, Toledo, and Flint. Price includes $1,000, retail bonus cash. January 31, 2022.